Okay, what's good, y'all? We back again. This is gonna be a quick video, but we have a Stussy mystery box right here. And for someone who's been like buying streetwear since I was in middle school, I remember when brands would do like mystery boxes, this and that. I'm talking like Mishka, maybe Diamond Supply, the Hundreds, Karmaloop, all that. If you were there, you know what I'm talking about. But basically, I found a guy who is doing these Stussy mystery boxes. So I think right here we got 30 t-shirts. And for 30 t-shirts I ended up paying like $700. So I figured, you know what, like why not either get shirts that I like there, or like maybe I'll sell them, I give them away, whatever it may be. But yeah, we got a fat box, and off the bat you can see this man loaded it with stickers all over. So let's see what we got. Let's get to unboxing. Or put the damn scissors. See what we got. Some man hooked it up with some stickers. First shirt. Nothing on the back. That's cool. Second shirt. Stussy. Some dice. That's cool. Let's see what else. Oh, hold on. A little vintage vibe right here. I'm a big fan of that one. 2020. Just kidding, not vintage. Yeah, I love this man's been coming through with a lot of colors. I do like all these dyes. So look at that. Let's see. Oh, I like the color of this one. Hold on. Like a Venus style shirt. It's 30, by the way. What was that, like 5? Okay, little devil horns, Stussy. I like the color, not crazy about this one. Let's keep it going. Okay. Good color. Dye, not crazy about it. Nothing on the back. Got this right here. This card. I think this just says Stussy on it. That's it, yellow. Another, seems like he has a lot of this color. So yeah, let's see. Never seen this one actually. Pretty cool. Yo! I already seen some stuff, but let's keep it going. Right here. Woo! I like this yellow. Off the bat, hold on. I have this shirt, y'all. Damn. My man had the Bakar? Okay. Ooh. My man had the Our Legacy too? That's crazy. Keep it going. More Our Legacy? Yeah. Oh, that's a clean one. XL. Nice. Another Our Legacy shirt. I mean, I have the blue one, so that's crazy. Come up, this really mint green color, really cool. Man, hooked it up again, bro. How many you got? Oh, this has the tags on it too. Our Legacy, the Workshop. Another one. Yo. Hey, this really my guy. I don't know if I can reveal him, because I might have to keep copping from him. Stussy right here. Pretty simple. Oh, this is a nice dye right here. This is really pretty. Look at this. Yeah, I like that one. Oh, royal blue. Stussy Sport on the back. That's neat. More stickers. A Surfman logo. Surfman logo. heel, the bay, and the fish on the back. I have not seen this. Size XL. This right here is pretty cool. A lot of these, oh, look at the bottom. A lot of these dyed shirts are really sick. Yo, look at this. This is sick, hold on. Vintage as hell. And on the back too, we got a design. I like that. Oh, just a regular tour shirt. These are the classic. I remember seeing these just at Zoomies. You get these everywhere, you know. Actually, I don't know if you can buy that right off the site right now. Burgundy. Oh, hold on.
The rig is cold. Calm down.
Look at my messing up my video. Hey, but the sleeveless tank. Okay, he knew I've been hitting the gym. Nice. Royal blue shirt. Stussy. This one's okay. It's the color though. UCI colors. What we got here? Hold on, turn it around. This is a long sleeve? Okay. Right here. Stussy on the back. On the sleeves too. And we got two more shirts. Got this one right here. LA shirt. Nice dye. I think it's like a gray dye. Yep. And lastly, just another pink right here. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you gave me. Shout out to Timothy, he sent me this over. That was the mystery box. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna sort through this collection again, but I pretty much told him I like a lot of the dyed Stussy shirts. And that's what he gave me. I feel like those are like the better quality ones. So yeah, he hooked it up. Let me just show you the pile. There it is. And yeah, thank you for watching. Maybe I'll do more mystery boxes because that was really fun. That made me feel like I was in like high school again. So yeah, thanks.